What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1987 Buick Grand National. It's a 3.8 turbo intercooled motor. This car is pretty sweet. We've got a ton of documents. I'll include that as a picture in this video. Let you check it out. We've got tons of paperwork on this car. Some crazy security system. We'll have to figure out how to start it because of that. I'll show you what we're talking about. Keep watching this video. I'm gonna do a little walk around, pick out any kind of flaws I can find, and we're gonna start from right here. This car is pretty slick. Definitely a repaint. Spot right here below the headlight. What's going on, guys? Very reflective paint job. Could have done a little better on the inside of the jam here, but I can't pick a whole lot on this car. So you guys, I'm not finding a lot of paint chips. There's not really a whole lot of flaws in the paint. It's a pretty easy walk around on this one. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Looks like it's been well taken care of. Looks like it's got LED lights in the floor. Door panel's been redone. Everything's solid on this car. Headliner's in good shape. Same with the back seat, carpet, Grand National floor mats. Looks like the gas gauge is going to be working. We'll try the air out. All right, let's see if I get this right. Turn the key to the on position. put it in neutral, pump the gas twice, put it in park, and turn the key. Was that right, Jeff?
What's that?
Turn it to the on position.
You gotta be in neutral.
You gotta put it in neutral first. Oh wait, I gotta turn it.
Pump the gas twice. Put it back in park.
I don't think that was right. All right.
Put it on position.
Holding the brake don't mess it up, does it?
Put it in neutral. Pump the gas twice. Back in park.
Some kind of crazy security system. I guess it takes a little bit to get used to. My helper up here starts it every time. That's the first time I've tried, so. Let's see if the air works on this thing. I heard the compressor kick on just now. I'm not getting any out of the vent. Oh, it's cold up here in the dash. Try the radio out. Can't get it to cut on either. Well, here we go. Okay, so the radio does work. Sorry guys, I'm having a hard time figuring this one out. Let's see. Windows are rolling up and down. A little bit slow. It locked me in here. I'm gonna roll the windows back down. One thing we did know, you shut the door with the keys in it, after about 5 minutes, it locks it automatically, so we had to get in the car earlier, right after we bought it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little walk around. I'm going to go ahead and take the key out, check your trunk real quick, and then we're going to go for a test drive. If you're new to this page, I post cars like this every single day. We've also got a website, maplemotors.com, so check it out. Let's see here. We'll look up under here real quick. A little dirty. All right. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. My name is Nick. I'm up here with my whole family, so you can talk to any of us. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe to my page if you haven't already. I'm also going to do a test drive video, so be looking for that. Thanks again, guys.